You see, enough of them look idiot boy, yeah. They don't know if to choose woman, you know. Them not no sense, you know. You see, right now, if me ask enough of them, say, between Sheensea, Spice, and Marian Hall, Lady Saw, which one them would I choose? Enough of look idiot, them would have gone with Sheensea and Spice, you know. Yeah, man. Because them would have go for Spice, because Spice love talk, but she love skin out her pum pum, and bubble pan the body, but dum bum bum. And the one Sheensea, she will make married man want her because she love sing a song with talk about keep it a secret. Yeah, man. But them not no sense. Because if you ask me, audience, you know somebody that choose Lady Saw. Because the lady, she have a blessed pussy now, you know. She blessed now, you know. She ain't say them pussy, them a crosses, you know. Spice pussy a crosses too, you know. They might have money, but that ain't nothing. Lady Saw pussy blessed. Because she gone back, she gone to church. And she has served her God, you know. Yeah, man. A Lady Saw are the number one, you know. And trust me, I see enough of them women there. We see in a church, them surprises, you know. Yeah, man, them full of surprises because in your mind, yeah, pray like say, yo, she can't even shine off a boy right, you know. Because I be a scriptures and Bible verse she into. And you're surprised when you get into the lingerie and into the bedroom. At a whole total different experience you have, you know. So you have to know them, you have to know them little thing there, you know. I like the nerd girls, them who wear the glasses, them have more style than the girl them where you see in a dance hall on top of them head, you know. Yeah, man, them, when it come to doing certain skills, yeah, man, them good with it, man. No, because I see them look nerdy and them thing there. Them girl they know them are doing, my father. I saw me find out, you know. Yeah, man, it's a random select one night time, you know. I run up in one of them nerd girl there, you know. I say, all of me two of them, you know. Me told them, I know, right now I talk about her. I feel like me told them I lock up again, you know, my father. Me have to find back the girl there again, you know. But, as me tell you now, yeah, man, because you see, a blessed pussy are the best pussy, you know. No matter how you see them attack, you know. Yeah, man, I'm gonna care about, enough of them I gonna say, Lady Saw all a woman now, you know. I'm gonna care about that, you know. In my days, I'm telling you something I'm experience, you know. And a young pussy are the best pussy, you know. One night time you see things say a girl who are 22, 23 versus a girl who are 40 would the younger girl would have the better pussy. And I say working on my father and I buy age, you know. I just buy who take care of themselves the best, you know. You see like Lady Saw now, all out she older. You see the all of the moon and the bright eye glare, you know. I'm tell you so she have a blessed pussy, man. The blessed pussy are the best pussy. Sheensea, she do her thing, you know. She will hit and run, you know. And them thing there, you know. And all of these things. So, me no mind the hit and run business, you know. Because like me say, Sheensea is a girl who you mad out, you know. Because she make you feel like she and everybody a fuck. All when she not fuck nobody, you know. But I can't tell. If Ramesh never good, Ramesh should have mad, you know. True Ramesh have little sense. Still and still, you know. Would I take a hit and run off a Sheensea still, you know. No, because me say her pussy a crosses, me no mean some motherfuck it, you know. Because another type of crosses that me a talk about still. The type of crosses one I think about. Another type of crosses their pussies, you know. Me not say she dirty, but me I say fair type of crosses is, you say the pussy there, but I rather take a hit and run. Because I say I'm to stay around it. Them gyal we mad there, you know, youth. The amount of traveling them gyal that travel and go about the place. I don't want them in a relationship with them type of woman there, you know, brother. You see a good hit and run. Because she into them things there, you know. Yeah, man. Somebody take a hit and run. So I have a theory, you know, my people. I have a theory about Spice pussy, you know. Spice, I like one of them girl there who always a chat tough, full of be a bad talk, to the point where you feel like, say, you're frightening, you know. Like, say, yo, you can't manage that pussy there, you know. Enough girl me meet like that, you know. Them chat enough, them chat bad, them tell you about how you can't manage them and this and that. As a Spice come off, you know, like she will frighten you. But my theory is that I feel like say Spice pussy lickly, you know. I feel like her pussy tight. I don't feel like Spice can't take no fuck, you know. All I hear she a sing them song there, busking out her pussy and just a boom on the body, boom, boom, boom. I feel like I just some dancehall music and lyrics and thing, you know. I don't feel like I don't know real thing, you know. My buck girl like that in a real life, you know. Them give enough chat tell you one bag of things or you can't manage them and this and that. And when they start to fuck them start to push you off, easy off, Them want it, but can't take it, can't manage it. I feel like Spice are one of them girl there. You know what I say? So, in my theory, the ladies have the ever blessed pussy, the Christ pussy, and Spice have the nice pussy, and Sheensea have the loady, the dice pussy. Yeah, man. Sheensea is a girl who we keep secret and make it run like generator and tell us that they fuck you forever. Yeah, man. But all who are gone, you have to stay strong in the world, youths and youths. Them nowadays, girl, we mad here, Mad here, youth. I'm saying nowadays, girl, man, I just talk about the young girl, them who are 18, between 18 and 25, Nowadays, girl, refer to all like girl, them, All like girl, them, All the girl, them who are 45 and 55 right now, Because them are nowadays, girl, because them once them alive, and them around the generation rub off upon them too, A real talk, Cause my mama tell them girl we mad, I have an uncle right now, a strokes him have, A girl do it, Man, girl sit down, the dog sit down, and think about him, girl. Tell him go mad, youth. A real talk, So not for no one other man. Make sure son take care of yourself and love on yourself first. You cannot talk about, oh, she's my soulmate, and because a girl shot her kidney, you take out all your kidney and I give a girl. Think about it now. You give a girl a kidney, now the girl left you, right? Now the girl left you, and gone there with the next man, and is the next man a fuck that with your kidney. How that work out? No, it's a serious question, God forgive me, to God be the glory if I lie, me I tell you, It's a question I need answer from, I want to know, man, and tell me in the comment section, I say, how you feel for know, say, a girl where you love, you decide, say, the girl need a kidney transplant, and you become the volunteer, a beneficiary, or she the beneficiary. I don't know them something they're going about. She a benefit off of your kidney in the next year or two, She don't remember about that, It's the next man she gone to, Now the next man a fuck that with your kidney, brother. John, you tell me now, I want to know how you would feel, because I know how much I feel, I know how I feel fuck up in the youth. But I start to feel consider my sexuality, If you know say a next man a fuck a girl with my kidney in her, youth. Them things them would either mad out or kill a girl and kill a bitch in a youth. Me not really advocate for man we put them on for woman, and beat woman, but you have to understand what I talk about, in the situation what I talk about, I talk about you go down on a doctor table, make a doctor cut you open, could have kill you during the process just to get a girl a kidney, and then a year or however long after, the girl decides that she gonna left you, go there with the next man, and still have your kidney, How you feel about that? If you know, say, she a fuck a next man with your kidney in her. The world that we living in is not an easy world, Some strange things can happen, Life can become very strange and paradoxical,